Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on hiding your caller ID on iPhone. With this setting turned on, your number will not be shown to the people you call. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the iPhone dashboard, open up the Settings app. In the settings, scroll all the way down to where it says Phone and open it. In the phone settings, tap on Show My Caller ID. Tap the toggle to switch it off. Once that's off, your phone number will no longer be visible to people when making phone calls. You can enable your caller ID again at any time by coming back here and switching that option on. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.